Here's how to convert HEIC to BMP, or Windows bitmap. I created an app called ConvertSave, and it's an offline file converter for images, video, and audio. All you have to do is click and drag. So I've got some HEIC photos here. I drag them over to ConvertSave and drop them in, and I select my output. In this case, we'll look for that BMP file. So that's that bitmap image. We convert, and it converts it straight where the original files came from. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer. There's a link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. And it's an offline file converter. So no more sketchy websites and uploading your photos or your images or audio or video. You can now do it right on your desktop on Windows and Mac. So I'm on a Mac right now. This works on Windows as well. So that's how I convert HEIC photos to BMP photos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.